children. Coming back to your economics class. Um, so, first chapter was the story of village Palampur. I've already discussed, right? Now, what is the required for production? Land, labor, physical labor, and capital, working capital, and fixed capital. Now, we will learn about farming in Palampur. How these factors are becoming beneficial in the village Palampur, in what respect? Okay, so farming is the main production activity in Palampur. Quite natural, because in village we all know that farming is the main way of their income or source of income or their livelihood, whatever you want to say. 75% of people who are working are dependent on the farming of their livelihood. They could be farmers on farm laborers. Farmers means those who are having their own land, and farm laborers means those who are working in some others land. অন্য কারোর জমিতে কাজ করছে তারা হচ্ছে ফার্ম লেবার্স, আর নিজের জমিতে যারা কাজ করছে তারা হচ্ছে ফার্মার্স। Okay, the well-being of these people is closely related to production of the farms. খুব স্বাভাবিকভাবে, when there is good production, they have a healthy life. When there is less production, they are not getting any healthy life further. But remember that there is a basic constraint in raising farm production. Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. We all know that there is a fixed area of land which is allotted to each and every one on the basis of their production and crops. So, since 1960, Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area. The area which was there in 1960, the area is constantly similar. So, by then, some of the wastelands in the villages had been converted to cultivable lands. People understood that land is a very precious thing for us, and what is required is to utilize land in a proper manner or in proper way. So what is the proper way of using land without getting it wasted? So some part of lands which were being kept aside as the wasteland were taken in the land of cultivation, or they were made in such a way that the land could be cultivated nicely. Now, is there a way one can grow more crops in the same land? Of course, there are ways. So, let us see what are the ways. In the kind of crops grown and facilities available, Palampur would resemble a village of western part of state of Uttar Pradesh. In UP, so now it is very clear that Palampur is a village in UP. UP in the western part of the state, Palampur is existing. Okay, all land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle. Can you tell me why no land is left idle? That is because the village was mainly based, or the village is rather mainly based on cultivation. Farmers are not so much highly educated like the people residing in cities. So, there is only one media of production, or there is only one media of getting themselves or providing a very healthy and happy life to them, that is through farming, because cultivation is something which they earn hereditarily from their fathers and forefathers. So something which we are earning from our forefathers is much more beneficial to us for doing it as our livelihood, or to get a healthy and comfortable and luxurious life. It depends upon what is the rate of production. যদি কারোর প্রোডাকশনের রেট হাই থাকে তার লাইফস্টাইল অনেক বেটার, যদি কারোর প্রোডাকশনের রেট কম থাকে তার লাইফস্টাইল অনেক লো। Clear? So it depends upon the rate of production a person is having, or a person is doing, or the person is getting or gaining from the part of land which he or she is allotted with. Now, we have already learned that Rabi crops are there and Kharif crops are there. No land is left idle. During the rainy season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. So, crop or cultivation depends upon the season. which season is going on. Basing on that, farmer sow seeds, those seeds which are healthy or which can give a very better result in that specific season. So crops depend on the seasons. Crop depends on the investment which a farmer can do in sake of the land. Crop depend on the labor which a farmer can give on the land. কতটা খাটনি একটা ফার্মার করতে পারছে টু গেট আ গুড ক্রপ, কতটা টাকা সে ইনভেস্ট করতে পারছে যাতে সে একটা ক্রপকে বেস্ট জিনিস প্রোভাইড করতে পারে, সে পেস্টিসাইডস, ইনসেকটিসাইডস, হোয়াটএভার ইজ রিকোয়ার্ড, ফার্টিলাইজার্স, আর কোন টাইমে কোন ক্রপসটা তার করার দরকার বেসড অন দ্য সিজন। এগুলো খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফ্যাক্টরস দ্যাট ডিসাইড whether the crops are going to be very good or less or bad in their result. The main reason why farmers are able to grow 3 different crops in a year is Palampur is due to well-developed system of irrigation. Very important factor in case of farming. Irrigation. What is irrigation? Giving water to the land or giving water to the cultivable land or giving water to the crops. That is irrigation. সঠিক পরিমাণে সঠিক পর্যায়ে জল যদি আমরা প্রোভাইড করতে না পারি, then our production is going to be very low. There will not be any good production because crops or plants need enormous amount of water to sustain, to get themselves developed. But it depends upon the type of farming. যেমন when you are sowing wheat seeds, চালের গেহুর ক্ষেত দেখে কবি দেখেছো কখনো? ওখানে বেশ হাফ অফ দ্য দিস মাচ অফ ওয়াটার ইজ রিকোয়ার্ড, এতটা পুরো জলের মধ্যে থাকে ক্রপটা। রেনি সিজনে হয়, যার জন্য বর্ষাকাল হচ্ছে চাল আর গেহুর সব থেকে বেস্ট সিজন। ওই জন্য জল একটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফ্যাক্টর in case of crops or farming. Electricity came early to Palampur. Its major impact was to transform the system of irrigation. Persian wheels were till then used by farmers to draw water from the wells and irrigate small fields. People saw that the electric run tubes could irrigate much to grow more than one crop, could irrigate much than larger areas of land more effectively. The first few tubewells were installed by government. Soon, however, farmers started setting up private tubewells. As a result, by 1970, entire cultivated area of became 200 acres was irrigated. তার মানে irrigation has played a very major and significant role in the growth and production of the plants and crops. How? Because electricity was already there in Palampur. So with the help of electricity, some pumps were being installed over there so that it will be easy for the farmers to take out water from the tube wells or take out water from the wells. Some tube wells were provided to the farmers from the government itself so that they can irrigate the land in the proper manner, and when they found that this is very helpful method for them, they installed some of the tube wells by their own investment, and that has resulted a huge development and growth in the crop. And that is because the thing which was lusting at the backside part from in 1960, within 1970 it became 200 acres of land under cultivation and with a very good production. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. This can be a question. What is multiple cropping? What is multiple cropping? To grow one or more crops in a same part of land in an year. I repeat, to grow one or more crop in a same part of land in an year, that is called multiple cropping. It is most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. This is a known fact. একটা piece of land এ যদি তুমি alternate way তে crops করো, তাহলে এক একটা ক্রপের ফার্টিলিটির ওপর এক একটা ক্রপের গ্রোথের ওপর ল্যান্ডের ফার্টিলিটি কিন্তু ডিপেন্ড করে। It increases the fertility of the land rather. In part of doing same crop every year, we should repeat the crops. এক বছর চাল করলাম, এক বছর গেহু আমরা আলু করলাম, এক বছর বেগুন, এক বছর ভিন্ডি। It will make the land molded. মাটি রোল আপ হয়, এক একটায় এক এক রকম মাটি লাগে। So Palampur grow at least 2 main crops. Many are growing potato as the third crop past 15 to 20 years. Last হচ্ছে এরা they grow potato. Now, is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Why? Of course it is interesting. It is highly required. It is very important because the area which is under irrigation, if the irrigation facility is more, the irrigation facility is nice, then farmers can get any part of land cropped very nicely, because enormous amount of water makes the land much more easy to do farming. It makes the land soft, it makes the mud much more fertile. The land always becomes ready to crop. Achha. Now, the Green Revolution in the late 1960s. Achha, one more thing. It is not only that water is the only media through which land is getting fertilized. No. The other ways to use modern farming method for higher yield is crop produced on a given piece of land during single season till the middle 90s. The seeds used in cultivation were traditional ones. Traditional old type of seeds were used, and now formulated seeds are found. Governments are providing enormous amount of facilities to the farmers by providing new formations, new modern techniques, so that the farmers can use much more crops. Farmers can use the land for cultivating much more crops than they used to do in previously. What are they using? They are using cow dung and other natural manures. Now, cow dung sounds to be very sticky, but it is very highly manure and very very good for crops. Natural manures এর ওপর ফার্মার্সরা বেশি স্ট্রেস আউট করছে, যেখানে artificiality কম। And natural thing always gives a very remarkable and beautiful result. We all know that. Facial করছে অনেকে। Let me give an example. Many are doing facials, creams and this and that. And similarly, in some Ayurvedic cases, you will find that they are using natural products, vegetables and all. Similarly, here farmers are much more interested in using natural manures apart of any artificial manures for getting good yield in the land. Green Revolution in the late 1960s introduced the Indian farmer to cultivate of wheat, rice using high yielding varieties, HYVs of seeds, high yielding varieties, compared to the traditional seed promised produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. If in the previous seeds grains were found, just an example I am giving you, for suppose 100 grains were found in one plant. Now, because of these yields, high yielding seeds, farmers are getting 500 seeds in one plant, which is much more beneficial. New one. So naturally, modern products are always beneficial to the farmers for their crops, for their production. Okay. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh were first to try out modern farming method, and from then the thing transferred to the later on part of the other states of the country. जब तक एक साइड का इंसान रिस्क लेकर कोई नई चीज़ नहीं अपनाएगा, दूसरे साइड के इंसान को भरोसा नहीं होगा कि these things are beneficial for us. It happens. It's a natural human instinct. And someone has to come forward to take the risk. And when the risk is taken and the result is very positive, the people, one in place of one, the people becomes 100. And at a time, 100 people are ready to take the risk because they have seen that the result is highly beneficial. Okay, so I'll stop over here. This much will be for today's class. Go through it. I'll send you the related pictures with that. Next class, I will discuss what is the sustenance of land. How can the land be sustained? It's a very big lesson. It will take some time to complete it out. And I am giving you in a very small part so that each and every part should get very distinct to you. And at the end of the time, when you will come to the last part of the chapter, then the full chapter will be just like a scenario in front of your eyes that will help you in sorting out the question answers and whatever exercise required over there. Okay, so just go through it and I should say just not go through it, rather try to understand what exactly they are trying to mean in the given lines. Okay, and in my next class I'll start the sustenance of land. So be happy and just go to the lesson. Please don't ignore it.